Today I decided to ask ChatGPT to come up with a completely original cookie recipe that's never been imagined, and it decided to come up with a saffron and rosewater white chocolate cookie. Let's make this. Step 1 says to heat up some rose water, which I did via microwave. Then I added some saffron to make a saffron tea. Set that aside to cool while we prep the dry ingredients, and then I'm going to add some flour, salt, and baking powder and whisk to combine. The next step is to prepare our wet ingredients. I'm going to cream together some butter and sugar until it becomes light and fluffy in texture. Then I'm going to stream in 2 eggs, mixing in one at a time. I'll add in some vanilla extract. Then I'm going to add in that cooled saffron rosewater tea along with all of the strands. Then after that, I'm just going to keep mixing and mixing on a medium setting for about 3 minutes or so, and eventually I was able to get this type of consistency. Now the next step is to add our dry ingredients to our wet. I'm just going to continue to fold and incorporate this mixture until the flour is dissolved and no longer visible. And the last step is to fold in about a cup of white chocolate chips. Mix that, and I'm going to set that in the fridge to chill for about 30 minutes. I'm going to scoop those cookies into about golf ball sized shapes and set that into a 350-degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, earthy, floral. The white chocolate ties everything together. It is different when it comes to a cookie, but I keep wanting to take another bite.